Hello children, it is a great pleasure to meet you through this Max online class. Are you happy? Say yes or no? Yes children, with the same joy we can now start the Max class. Okay, listen carefully. Today we are going to learn about comparison of numbers. Okay children, today we are going to learn about comparison of numbers. Okay, now all of you look at the board. Now I am writing two numbers, okay? One number is 7,391 and another number is 91, okay? One number is 7,391 and another number is 91, okay? Now you compare these numbers. Which is the largest of these two numbers? Which is the largest of these two numbers? So first of all, you count the digits, okay children? In 7,391, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. In 7,391, 4 digits are there, okay? In 91, 1, 2, 2 digits only. So in 7,391, 4 digits, okay? In 91 have only 2 digits. So the number with more digits is the greater number, okay? The number with more digits is the greater number and the number with less digits is the smaller number. Okay children, எந்த நம்பர்ல number of digits அதிகமா இருக்கோ அதுதான் நம்மளுக்கு என்னது? Greater number. Here, which number have more digits? Yes, surely 7,391 have 4 digits, okay? So 7,391 is the greater number, okay children? Are you clear? 7,391 is the greater number, okay? Now we can put the sign, yes? How will you put the sign? Look at the big number, okay? Which number is big? 7,391. So you put the greater than symbol, okay? This number only big. So you put the greater than symbol, okay? Like this. So எப்பவுமே உன்னோட greater number பார்த்து உன்னோட சைனோட மவுத் எப்படி இருக்கும்? பெருசா இருக்கும். பெரிய நம்பரை பார்த்து பெரிய சைன் இருக்கும். சின்ன நம்பரை பார்த்து அதோட மவுத்தை பாரு, சின்ன மவுத். Yes or no? So big number have big mouth, small number have, you see the mouth, small mouth, okay? Like this mouth is like a crocodile mouth. Yes children? Yes. So 7,391 is the bigger number. எதோட mouth பெருசா இருக்கோ அந்த நம்பர் தான் என்னது? bigger number. Mouth எந்த பக்கம் சின்னதா இருக்கோ அதுதான் smaller number, okay? So 7,391 is greater than 91. Okay children, are you clear? 7,391 is greater than, this is the greater than symbol, okay? So 7,391 is greater than 91. And one more example, listen all of you. Okay, now you see that numbers. One number is 251 and another number is 9,999, okay? One number is 251 and another number is 9,999, okay? Now you say which number is big? First of all, you count the digits, okay children? Count the digits. 251 have 3 digits, okay? 9,999 have 4 digits, okay? So the number with more digits is the greater number. So which number is greater number? Yes, surely 9,999 is the greater number, okay children? Okay, now you put the sign. So greater number have greater, that is a big mouth. Yes children? So this is the greater number. So that sign is like this. Okay? Big number have big mouth. எப்பவுமே big number பார்த்து big mouth இருக்கும், small number பார்த்து small mouth இருக்கும். Okay? Don't forget. Okay children? Now you read. 251 is less than, okay, 251 is less than 9,999, okay. First greater number is there, so that's why 7,391 is greater than 91. But here first number is smallest number, so 251 is less than 9,999, okay. Are you clear? Yes. Now you next question, okay. Listen all of you. Okay, two numbers. One number is 1,251 and another number is 1,243. Okay, now you compare these two numbers. How will you compare? First of all, you count the digits. Okay, yes, do it. 1,251. How many digits are there? 1,251, 4 digits, okay. In 1,243 have 4 digits. Here also 4 digits, this number also 4 digits. So what to do? Yes, if the number of digits is the same in the two numbers, then we compare the numbers by observing the value of periods. Okay, நம்ம இப்போ number of digits நம்மளுக்கு எப்படி இருக்கு? சேமா இருக்கு. அப்ப என்ன செய்யணும்? ஒவ்வொரு நம்பரா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிட்டு வரணும்? கம்பேர் பண்ணிட்டே வரணும். That is compare with the highest place in the periods. Okay children? So here highest place, highest period. This is a ones period, this is thousand period. This is ones period, this is thousands period. Okay, now you compare the highest place, that is thousands place. Okay, so now you compare thousands place. Okay, this number have in thousands place, how much is there? 1. Here also 1 is there, so these are equal, so leave it. Okay, now you come to the next place. Okay, that is hundreds place. Hundreds place is in 2. Here hundreds place is in 2, so leave it. Next you come to next place. Okay, so next place, tens place. In tens place, how much is there? 5. Here tens place, how much is there? 4. Okay children, here 5, here 4. These are, here also first first only there. Here then second is 2. Now you see that tens place 5. Here tens place 4. So compare these two numbers. Okay, 5 and 4. Which number is bigger? 5 and 4. Which number is bigger? Surely 5 is a bigger number. Yes children? So this number only big. புரிஞ்சுதா? நம்ம ரெண்டு number of digits சேம்னா என்ன செய்யணும்? ஒவ்வொரு நம்பரா கம்பேர் பண்ணிட்டே வரணும். லைக் ஹையஸ்ட் வேல்யூல இருந்து நம்ம கம்பேர் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, சோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்பரை பாரு, சேமா இருக்கா? விட்டுறலாம். அடுத்த நம்பரை பாரு, 2. ஓகே, now you come to tens place. Okay, the third number 5 4. Now you compare. Okay, 5 4. So 5 only bigger number. Here 5 tens, here 4 tens. So which one is bigger? 5 tens only bigger. Yes children? So the total number 1251 is bigger number. Okay? Yes. Do you understand? Yes. Now you put the sign. Put the sign. Which number is bigger number? 1251. Yes. So the sign is like this. That's a bigger number have big mouth, smaller number have small mouth. Okay. So now you read the number. 1251 is greater than 1243. Okay, 1251 is greater than 1243. Yes children, do you understand? Okay, I hope you understood. Okay, now all of you take your classwork note. All of you take your classwork note. Okay, all of you take your classwork note and write today's day and date. Okay, is your pencil sharp or not? If the tip of the pencil is not sharp, then sharp your pencil. Okay children, Do it, sharp your pencil. If the tip of the pencil is not sharp, then sharp your pencil, okay? Do it. Finished? Yes. Now, all of you write today's day and date, okay? Then after, you write the heading, comparison of numbers. After, you write the heading, comparison of numbers, okay? Don't leave any page, children. You continue your writing, okay? This is a one lesson only. So, continue your writing. Don't leave any page. Yesterday question is finished means then you after you put one line, okay? Using scale. Now you write the heading, comparison of numbers. Yes. Now you copy the sums, okay? Write the question. Compare the following by writing the correct symbol less than or greater than or equal to, okay? Write neatly, children, okay? Okay, listen children, stop writing. All of you look at the board. Your question is, compare the following by writing the correct symbol less than, comma, greater than or equal, okay? Your question is, compare the following by writing the correct symbol, okay? Okay children, you see the first question? 1252, 1252 and another number is 15,931. 1252, 15,931, okay? Now you compare. First of all, you count the digits, okay children? Yes. This number have 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. This number have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. In 1252 have 4 digits. In 15,931 have 5 digits. Okay. So, which number is bigger number? Yes, the number with more digits is the greater number. Okay. So, 15,931 is the greater number. Okay. Now you put the sign. Which sign will come? Greater number. So, like this symbol. Yes, children? Yes. So, big number have big mouth. Okay. So, 1252 is less than 15,931. Okay. Yes. Now you come to the second question. Read the numbers. First number is 72,598. Okay. Second number is 72,503. First number is 72,598. Second number is 72,503. Okay. Now you compare these two numbers. First of all, you count the digits. Okay, children? Do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 72,598 have 5 digits. Okay. In 72,503 have 5 digits. Here also 5 digits. This number also 5 digits. So, if the number of digits is the same in the two numbers, then we compare with the highest place. Okay, children? So, highest place in the periods. This is the highest place. Yes or no? 10,000 place is the highest place in 72,598. So now you compare one number. Okay. First number you take 7. So this number also 7. So equal number. So leave it. You come to the next place. Okay. That is thousands place. So here also 2,000. This number here also 2,000. So leave it. You come to the next place. Okay. That is hundreds place. Hundreds place. Here also 5. Here also 5. So leave it. Now you come to the next place. That is tens place. Okay. Here 9 tens. Here 0 tens. Here 9. Here 0. So which number is big? Yes. Surely 9 is the bigger number comparing 0. Okay, children. So this total number 72,598 is the bigger number. Okay. Now you put the sign like this. Yes, this is the bigger number. So big mouth. So 72,598 is greater than. Okay. 72,598 is greater than 72,503. Okay. Are you clear? Yes. Now you come to the third question. Your number is, first number 15,209 and next number is 2,530. Okay. So, first of all you count the digits. Okay, children? Count the digits. First number have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. This number have 1, 2, 3, 4. Comparing these two numbers, this number is 5 digits, this number have 4 digits. So, the number with more digits is the greater number. So, 15,209 is the greater number. Okay, now you put the sign, greater than symbol sign. So, big mouth sign. Look at the big number. Okay, children? So, 15,209 is greater than 2,530. Okay. Are you clear? Yes. Now you come to fourth question. Read this number. 99,999. 99,999. Okay. This number is 1 tens 100, 1,000 10,000, lakh 10 lakh. So this number is 10 lakh. 99,999. 10 lakh. Okay. Now you compare these two numbers. First of all, you count the digits. Okay, children? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. This number have 5 digits. This number have 7 digits. So, yes, surely 10 lakh. 10 lakh is the bigger number. Okay. Why? The number with more digits is the greater number. Okay, children? So this number only big number. So you put the sign, okay, like this. Big number have big mouth. Okay. So now how will you read this number? 99,999 is smaller than, okay? 99,999 is smaller than 10 lakh. Okay? Are you clear? Yes. Now you come to the fifth question. You see the question? 79,201. Okay? 79,201. This number is 99,504. Okay? First of all, you count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this number also 5 digit, this number also 5 digit. So the number of digits are same. Okay? So we compare the highest value. Okay, children? Compare the highest value. Which number is high? Which place is highest place? This, yes? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. 10,000 place is the highest place. Now you compare from 10,000 place. Okay? So here 10,000 place is in 7. Here 9. So 7 and 9. Which number is big? Surely 9 is the bigger number. Okay. So 99,504 is the bigger number. So you put the sign like this. Okay. So 79,201 is smaller than 99,504. Okay. Are you clear? Yes. Now you come to the sixth question. Read this number. 2,02,000. Okay. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. So 2,02,000. This number also 2,02,000. So these two numbers are equal. Okay. So you put the equal sign. Okay, children? Okay. Now seventh question. 75,249. This number is 75,349. Okay. Now you count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number of digits are same. Okay. So we compare the highest place. Okay, children. So highest place is here in 10,000 place is in 7. Okay. So in 10,000 place you compare in 10,000 place onwards. Okay. So 7. Here also 7. So leave it. You come to the next place. That is 5. 5. Here also 5. So leave it. Now you come to the next place. That is hundreds place. Here 2. Here 3. 200. This number is 200. Here 300. So which one is big? 300 only big. Yes or no? Yes. So 75,349 is the bigger number. Okay. So you put the sign like this. Okay, children. So 75,249 is smaller than 75,349. Okay. Yes. Now you come to the 8th question. 50,009. Here 11,750. Okay. Now you count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 digits. This number also have 5 digits. Okay. So the number of digits are same. So we compare the highest place. Okay, children? Yes. So highest place is 10,000 place. That is 5. This number have 5. This number have 1. Okay. So 5 and 1. Which one is big? This is only big. Here 5 10,000 is there. This number have only 1 10,000 only is there. So 5 10,000, 1 10,000. Which one is bigger number? 5 10,000. So this number only big number. So you put the greater than symbol. Okay. So 50,009 is greater than 11,750. Okay, children? Do you understand? Yes. Now write it in your classwork note. Write it. Write the heading comparison of numbers. Then after you write the question, Compare the following by writing the correct symbol, okay? Less than or greater than or equal. Then afterwards write the question, children. You write one by one, okay? 4 question finished after you write the 5th question. Write one by one. Write neatly, at the same time write without mistakes, okay? Do it. Write neatly, children. Have you finished? I hope you have written. Now the second question. Listen, children. You see the question. Rearrange the following numbers in ascending order. Okay. Rearrange the following numbers in ascending order. Ascending order. What is the meaning of ascending order? Say. The numbers written in order from the smallest to the greatest or said to be in ascending order. Okay. Ascending order means small to big. Okay. The numbers written in order from the smallest to the greatest or said to be in ascending order. Okay, children. Don't forget ascending order na enna smallest number lende biggest number ku nam enna cheyanum arrange panni eludano. Okay, the numbers written in order from the smallest to the greatest or shall to be in ascending order. Okay. Now here 4 numbers are given. First number is 5 crore 73 lakh 29,100. Okay. 5 crore 73 lakh 29,100. And second number is 5 crore 73 lakh 29,504. Then third number 2 lakh 52,514. Okay. Then fourth number 5 crore 63 lakh 90,147. 147. Okay. 4 numbers are given. So, how will you rearrange the numbers? First of all, you compare the digits. Okay. Okay, children, count the digits. This number have how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits are there. This number have 8 digits. This number have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits. Okay. This number have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits. This number have 8 digit. This number have 8 digit. But this number have 6 digit. This number have 8 digits. Okay. Here there are two digits numbers are there. That is two type of numbers are there. First one is 8 digit number and 6 digit number. Yes, children. All of you know the number with more digit is the greater number. Yes, children. The number with the less digit is the smaller number. But now, which number we need? Ascending order. So, smallest number only first we need. Yes. So, here which number is smallest? The number with less digit is the smaller number. Okay. So, here which number is smallest digit? Yes. This is the 6 digit. So, this is the smaller number. Okay. So, 2,52,514 is the smallest number. Okay. So, that number you write first. 2,52,514. Okay. That is the first number, smallest number. Now, then you cross it. Okay. This number is written. So, you cross it. Now, you compare. All the numbers are 8 digits. Okay. I what said? If the number of digit is the same in the numbers, then we compare the numbers by observing the value of periods. Okay. That is compare with the highest place. Okay, children. So now you start your comparing with the highest place. Okay. So first place, highest place is crore place. Okay. So 5, 5, 5. So 3 numbers in high, that is crore place is 5 only. So leave it. Now you come next place, that is 10 lakh place. Okay. So 7, here also 7, but here 6. These two numbers have 10 lakh is 7, but this number have 6. So which one is small? This number. Okay. So second number is 5 crore 63 lakh 90,147. Okay. So 2 numbers are finished. So you put this number cross. Now you compare these 2 numbers. Okay, children? Yes. Crore is finished. Next 10 lakh place is finished. Now next place is lakhs place. Okay. Lakhs place, this number have 3. This number have 3 only. So leave it. Now you come to the next place. So next place is 1,000. 10,000 place 2. Okay. Here also 10,000 place is 2. So leave it. Now you come to the next place, that is thousands place. 9,000. Here also 9,000. Okay. Now you compare the hundreds place. 100. Here 500. This number have 100. But this number have 500. So which number is small? We need smallest number. Why? Ascending order. Okay. The number written in order from the smallest to the greatest number. Okay, children. So we need smallest number only first we need, okay? So, which number is smallest? Here 100, here 500, okay? So, this is only smallest number, okay? So, you write the number is, third one is the number 5 crore 73 lakh 29,100, okay? Then, this number also finished. Now, which number is there? This number only is there, okay? So, you write it last. You write at last, which number? 5 crore 73 lakh 29,504. Okay, children? Okay? It's so easy, yes? Yes. Write in your classwork note. Write it in your classwork note, okay? Second question, already first question are done. Now second question, okay? Once your question answer is completed, you draw a line, okay? Using scale. Once a question answer is completed, you put one big line, okay? Using scale. Then after you start the second question. Rearrange the following numbers in ascending order. Rearrange the following numbers in ascending order. What do you mean by ascending order? The numbers written in order from the smallest to the greatest or said to be in ascending order. Okay, children? சின்ன நம்பர்ல இருந்தே பெரிய நம்பருக்கு போணும். சரியா? That's only ascending order. Write neatly. Have you finished? Okay, now you come to the second question. In second question, second one, okay? All of you listen. See the numbers. The question is arrange the numbers in ascending order. Okay, children? So ascending order means the numbers written in order from the smallest to the greatest. Okay, smallest to the greatest or said to be in ascending order. Okay, so now you compare these two numbers. First of all, you count the digits. Okay, children? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this number have 6 digit. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This number have 6 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this number have 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This number also 5 digits. Okay. So here there are two type of numbers. Yes, two 6-digit numbers, two 5 digits number. Okay, children. So first compare which type of numbers? 5-digit number. Why? Here we have to write ascending order. Okay, the number written in order from the smallest to greatest also had to be in ascending order. Ascending order na smallest number la irundhu greatest number ku ponum. சரியா? அப்ப நம்ம first இங்க எதை compare பண்ணனும்? 5-digit number. Comparing 5-digit number. Yes, children. The number with more digit is the greater number. The number with less digit is the smaller number. So now you compare 5-digit number. Okay, so here two 5-digit numbers are there. So now you compare highest place value. Okay, children. Yes, so highest place value is 10,000. Okay, so this number have highest place value is 4. Here highest place value is 2. So which number is small? This. Yes or no? Here 4 10,000, here 2 10,000. Okay, so 2 10,000 only smaller number. So you write first number is 20,598. Okay, so the first number is 20,598. Okay, children. Yes, then next number, this number is over. Okay, now you see that remaining 3 numbers are there. This is 6-digit number, this is 5-digit number. Okay, so this number only next number. So 45,644. Okay, நல்லா கவனி, நம்மளுக்கு ரெண்டு 5-digit நம்பர் இருக்கு, ஒன்னு எழுதியாச்சு. சரியா? இதுல கம்பேர் பண்ணி ஹையஸ்ட் பிளேஸ் பார்த்தோம். இங்க என்ன இருந்துச்சு? 4 10,000, here 2 10,000. So 2 10,000 only smaller number. That's why your first number is 20,598. Okay, now you compare this digit. These two numbers have 6 digit. This number only have 5 digit. So 6 digit, 5 digit. So the number of with less digit only smallest number. Okay, children. So you write in second which number? 45,644. Okay, now you compare these two 6-digit numbers. If the number of digit in the same in the two numbers, then we compare the numbers by observing the value of periods. Okay, so compare with the highest value. நம்ம number of digits same ஆ இருந்துச்சுன்னா எதை compare பண்ணணும்? Highest place value. Okay, so now you compare highest place value. First place is here 6 lakh, here 5 lakh. So which one is smaller number? 6 lakh, 5 lakh. 5 lakh only smaller number. Okay, so you write at first. Okay, so 5 lakh 61,200. The now last number is 6 lakh 52,000. Yes, 52,100 at last number. Okay, children, are you clear? Write it in your classwork note. எப்போ கம்பேர் பண்ணாலும் ascending order வந்து small to big, smallest number எடுக்கணும். So நம்ம count the number of digits. Okay, suppose number of digits are same means you compare with the highest place value in the periods. Okay, children, do it. Write it in your classwork note. In second question, second one. Write fast. Have you finished? Now the third question. Ascending order is finished. Now arrange the numbers in descending order. Okay. All of you listen. Your question is arrange the following numbers in descending order. Okay, descending order. The second question is ascending order. You arrange the numbers in ascending orders. Okay, children. This third question is arrange the following numbers in descending order. Okay, descending order means the number written in order from the greatest to the smallest. Okay, children, from the smallest to the greatest are said to be in ascending order. நம்ம descending order னா பெரிய நம்பர்ல இருந்து சின்னதுக்கு போணும். சரியா? ascending order னா எப்படி எழுதணும்? சின்னதுல இருந்து பெருசுக்கு போணும். அதே இது descending னா உல்டா. பெருசுல இருந்து சின்னதுக்கு வரணும். Okay? The number written in order from the greatest to the smallest are said to be in descending order. Okay, children? So, 4 numbers are given. Yes? The first number is 90 lakh 90,999. Okay? The second number is 9 lakh 90,899. And the third number is 99 lakh 90,701. Then fourth number is 7 lakh 86,514. Okay, children? Are you clear? Yes. Now you start comparing these numbers. Which one is biggest number? So first of all you count the digits. Okay. So count the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This number has 7 digits. Okay. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 types of number. Yes. 7 digit number and 2 digit numbers. There are 2 7-digit numbers and 2 6-digit numbers. Yes, children? So, what to do? We need greatest number only need. Okay? So, yes, the number with more digit is the greater number. Okay? With more digits only greater number. So, now you compare more digits number. Okay, children? So, 7-digit number. So, now you compare 7-digit numbers. Okay? We need biggest number only need. So, that's why now you compare big digits. That is a highest digit number. 7-digit number. So, 7-digit number. 2 7-digit numbers are there. So, now you compare with the highest place value. Okay? Highest place value is crore. Okay? Here 9 crore. Here also 9 crore. Now you come to the, 9-10 crore, yes? Yes, 9-10 crore. Here also 9-10 crore, okay? Next place, crore place. Here 0, here 9. Here 90 crore, here 99 crore. So which one is big? Yes, surely 99 crore, 90,000, sorry 90 lakh. Sorry children. Yes, crore no, lakh, yes. Sorry, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. So the number is 90 lakh, 90,999. Okay. 90 lakh, 90,999. So the highest place is 9, 10 lakh. Okay. So now you compare with the highest place. Okay. So 9, 10 lakh. This number also 9, 10 lakh. So leave it. Now you come to the next place, that is 1 lakh place. Okay. So 1 lakh place have here 0, here 9. So 0 and 9. Which one is biggest? Here. This number only bigger number. Okay. So 99 lakh. 90,701 is the bigger number. Okay. So you write the solution. First number is 99 lakh 90,701. Okay. Yes. Next number is these 6-digit numbers. Okay. So comparing 6-digit and 7-digit. 7-digit only highest number. Yes children. The number with more digit is the greater number. So now you write this number. 90 lakh 90,999. Okay. Now you compare 6-digit number. This number also finish. Now you compare 6-digit numbers. Okay. So 6-digit digits are same. So we compare with the highest place value. Okay. So first place, highest place is lakh place. Okay. Here 9 lakh. Here 7 lakh. 9 lakh, 7 lakh. Which one is big? This number. So 9 lakh 90,899. Third number is 9 lakh 90,899. The next number, last number, 7 lakh 86,514. Okay. Are you clear? Yes. So write it in your classwork note. In third question, first part. In third question, first part. Okay. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. The numbers written in order from the greatest to the smallest are said to be in descending order. Okay. இருக்கிறதுலயே பெரிய நம்பர்ல இருந்து சின்னதுக்கு போகணும். Okay. So இருக்கிற நம்பர்லயே பெரிய நம்பரை முதல்ல எழுதணும். That is 99 lakh 90,701. That is the biggest number. Then after 90 lakh 90,990 is the second number. Okay. Then after third number is 9 lakh 90,899. Then last number is 7 lakh 86,514. Have you finished? Now the second one. Okay, children? See the question. In third question, second part, okay? Arrange the following numbers in descending order, okay? The first number is 5 crore, 73 lakh 29,100, okay? The second number is 14 crore 73 lakh 65,992. And the third number 8 crore 59 lakh 79,504. And fourth number is 15 crore 74 lakh 25,709. Okay. Now you write in descending order. Okay. Descending order means big to small. Okay. The numbers written in order from the biggest to the smallest or had to be in descending order. Okay. Now you see that the numbers, which one is biggest number? First of all, you count the digits. Okay. So count the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits. And this number have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digits. This number have 8 digits, okay? And this number have 9 digits, okay? So now you compare 2 8-digit numbers are there and 2 9-digit numbers are there, okay children? Now we need, that is the biggest number only need. Why? Descending order, okay? So we compare now, which digit number? 9-digit number, okay? Why? The number with the highest digit, the number with more digit is the greater number. Okay children, so we compare 9-digit number. 2 9-digit numbers are there. So now you compare the highest place value. Okay, so that is 10 crore place. 10 crore place, here 1, here also 1. Now next place crore place, here 4, here 5, here 14 crore, here 15 crore. So what is the answer? 15 crore only highest value. Okay children, so you write the number that only first. Okay, 15 crore 74 lakh 25,709. Okay, yes, that's only first number. Now the second number. This number, yes, 14 crore 73 lakh 65,992. Okay, the 9-digit numbers are finished. Now you compare 2 8-digit numbers. Okay children, 2 8-digit numbers are there. Okay, if the number of digits in the same in the numbers, then we compare the numbers by observing the value of periods. Okay, that means compare with the highest place, that is highest place, crore place. Okay, so start here 5 crore, here 8 crore. 5 crore 73 lakh 29,100. Here 8 crore 59,070. 8 crore 59 lakh 79,504. So which one is big? Yes, surely this number only bigger number. Okay, so you write at third. Okay, 8 crore 59 lakh 79,504. Then last number is 5 crore 73 lakh 29,100. Okay, yes, very easy only, all the sums. Already we have studied in the previous classes. Yes children, yes. So write it in your classwork note. In third question, second one. Do carefully, okay? கமாலாம் போடும்போது ரொம்ப கவனமா போடணும், சரியா? செமிகோலன் இருக்கிறது, ஒவ்வொரு நம்பரை நம்ம டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்றதுக்கு தான் என்ன போட்டிருக்கிறேன்? செமிகோலன். Okay children, that's a separate number, one number, semicolon. Okay, so this is one number, this is one number, this is one number, this is one number. So that's why semicolon symbol is there. So do carefully. Okay, Write neatly. Write neatly, children, and write without mistakes, okay? Have you finished? Write fast. Have you finished? Okay, now you homework questions, okay? All of you take your maths homework note. All of you take your maths homework note. Write the homework question. All of you take your maths homework note, okay? Write the homework question. All of you take your maths homework note and write the homework question. Children, all of you listen. You see the homework question. First question, arrange the numbers in descending order, okay? Descending order. So, descending order means the numbers written in order from the greatest to smallest, okay children? Descending order means the numbers written in order from the greatest to smallest or said to be in descending order, okay? So நம்ம descending order na என்ன செய்யணும்? சும்மா biggest number ல இருந்து greatest number க்கு arrange பண்ணணும், okay? That's two sums are given. So do in your homework note, okay? Then after you come second question, page number 15. All of you take your book, page number 15. Page number 15. Question number 4. Page number 15, question number 4, B and C. Mark the question. Page number 15, question number 4, B and C. Okay. So this is following numbers in ascending order. Okay, children? Arrange the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means the numbers written in order from the smallest to greatest. Okay? Descending order na greatest lend smallest ku arrange பண்ணனும். Small, that is the ascending order means smallest lend greatest ku இது பண்ணனும். Okay? Are you clear, children? Yes. These homeworks do in your homework note. Okay? Yes. We will see in the next class. Okay? Thank you.